Robinson and I am from Davao. So, ngayon lang ako tumayo kasi na-convict ako na mag-stand up and personally na mag-thanks sa inyo. Okay, so, yun po, may sinulat po ako. I will just read this type. Sorry. Sorry naman po, taga-Davao po kasi ako, kaya meron akong mga, na may pandiin na mga, Okay po, sige. I have been here in your city, Taytay, quite far from my hometown in Davao for 9 days from now. My being here is not by accident, but rather a part of God's plan. I didn't expect this as I was supposed to head to another destination, and that is Thailand. Opo, hindi ko po ito in-expect na mapunta ako dito dahil noong July 29 po, dapat flight ko po yun pa Thailand. Davao to Manila, Manila to Thailand. But, yun po, yung nangyari sa akin, na-offload po ako. And, nasaktan po talaga ako dahil kasi po, by the way po, ako po ay graduate na po, fresh graduate po. Teacher po ako by profession, and na-hire po ako sa Thailand as teacher, and hinihintay na lang nila ako doon. Kaya, yun, lumipad ako, sana, doon. Pero, yun nga, na-offload ako. Yet, even when things didn't go as I expected, the Lord's divine intervention and grace carried me through, transforming my mourning, my brokenness, into something humbling and amazing experience. In this short span of time here in Taytay, Rizal, I've learned a lot and come to love this place and the people around me. Indeed, God never ceases to amaze me, and I thank the Lord for all He has done into my life and for the lives of my leaders in Davao, Apayao, Australia, and even here in Manila, the Lazarus. I call them ate and kuya. Sorry po. So, yun po, sila po yung leaders at nanay at tatay ko dito sa Taytay, Rizal. Though I may feel down and broken, I believe the Lord will use this season of mine for His glory in due time. I remember the kintsugi base that one of my leaders in India shared about, that this kintsugi, it's a Japanese art, by the way. It's a Japanese art that repairing broken pottery with gold. So it symbolizes that being broken is not the end, but the beginning of becoming even more beautiful and valuable. Similarly, in my season of brokenness, I needed to be broken down so that God could restore me with gold learnings and turning my scars with something precious and strong. And I believe po na napadpad po ako dito not by accident, but rather it's part of God's plan po na nandito ako. Super blessed po ako, and yun po, marami po akong natutunan dito. Gusto ko nga po mag-extend sana, pero somehow, meron din, for some reasons, need ko na pong umuwi. Pero, it is really my prayer na soon, babalik ako dito with my own funds. So, opo, wala po akong ginastos dito, sa pagpunta dito. Lahat po yun covered ng church leaders namin. And with that, I am very grateful for the Lord. And indeed, the Lord never ceases to amaze me because He provided for my needs all throughout sa 10 days ko dito. Marami din po akong natutunan kahit na, yun nga, na-broken po ako dahil gustong-gusto ko po talaga mag-mission doon sa Thailand, pero sa ibang Thai yung puntahan ko.
Tay.
Pero grateful po talaga ako kasi I believe po na may tinuturo si Lord sa akin, and I really value that. And actually po, ayaw ko pa po umuwi talaga, pero parang sinabi ni Lord sa akin na you have to face them. Kahit na feeling ko po kasi na-fail ko sila, kaya ayaw ko pa pong umuwi. Tapos na-appreciate ko din yung pagiging ano ko dito, parang independent God. So, yun po. Pero, yun po, binavalue ko po yung lahat na tinuturo ni Lord sa akin dito. And I just wanted to take this very opportunity to thank the Lazarus, to really, thank you po talaga sa buhay nyo. Saksi ang buong Kalawakan. Yun po yung inside joke namin sa Davao. Saksi ang buong Kalawakan sa iyong mga buhay, at naway i-bless kayo ni Lord. And nakita ko po yung pagiging leader niyo dito, and nag-increase yung ano ko po sa inyo, yung pag-look up ko sa inyo, na inspire po ako sa inyo na ganito pala dapat maging leader. Na kahit pagod na po kayo, I believe po na you're doing that for the glory of God. And yung pastora nyo din po, na-amaze po ako sa kanya dahil babae siya. Tapos siya yung senior pastor po sa inyo. Tapos, kasi po sa amin, hindi siya parang ano ba, right, ideal. Pero, I really appreciate the fact na babae yung nag-lead sa inyo dito. And napaka-humble niya. Nakita ko siya, nagdadala ng basurahan. Kaya nahiya naman ako. Kaya kumuha din ako ng basurahan. Pagkatapos niyan, nakita ko din si Pastora Marian. Nagmamap. Sabi ko, grabe naman ito na mga pastora kasi umahawak ng mga walis, map. Sabi ko, bago ka maging leader, maging servant ka muna. So, yun po. Maraming salamat sa ating lahat. Glory to God.